morning students. How are you all? Yes, hope you all are good. Yes, yes. Then what you people are doing? Are you waiting for video? Is it? Okay, then don't waste the time. We will start. Yes, tell me today's date and day. Today is 29th. We are month of September. Year is 2021. The day is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday we have computer science. Yes, in that? Yes. Then we are in which lesson? Lesson 2, handling the mouse and keyboards. About handling the mouse and keyboards. Yes. About mouse we already learned. Yes. Yes. In mouse we have two buttons, left button and right button. Then we have scrolling wheel also, scroll wheel also. Yes. Yes. This and all we learned. Then I already discussed it. Keyboards. Yes. Why we are using keyboards then? Why we are using keyboards? Yes. Keyboard is used to type numbers, letters and symbols of the computer. Why we are using keyboards? Used to type letters, then numbers and symbols. Yes, on the computer. That purpose only we are using keyboards. Yes. Yes, in keyboards we have 104 keys. Yes, in keyboards we have 104 keys. Yes, in standard keyboards we have 104 keys. This you should keep it in your mind. Okay? Yes. Then what we learn about keyboard? Yes, in keyboard have 104 keys. Yes, the keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. Yes, in keyboard it is connected to the CPU. Yes, to the wire. Yes, by the wire only we are connected to the keyboard and CPU. Yes, yes. Then what we learn in keyboard have different types of keys. I already told you. Yes, first we have alphabets keys. Yes, in alphabets how many letters we have in alphabets? 26 letters. Yes, yes. Then in keyboard also we have 26 alphabets. Okay, 26 letters we have. But how it is? It is not in order wise. A, B, C, D, not like that. Yes, in first row means like this row. In first row we have 10 letters, 10 alphabets. That is in Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Yes, in first row we have 10 alphabets. Yes. In second row we have 9 letters and the third row we have 7 letters. Yes, first row we have 10 letters, then second row we have 9 letters and the third row we have 7 letters. Yes, yes. Then next we have now numeric key. Next key we have, first we have alphabet key. Alphabet keys. Yes. Then second we have, what is second we have? Numeric key. Numeric keys. Second we have numeric keys. Yes, yes. In numeric keys we have, there are a total of 10 numeric keys. Yes, we have 10 numeric keys, that is 0 to 9. Yes, 0 to 9. 10 numeric keys we have. Then the number key is on the right side on the keyboard is called numeric pad. Okay. To the uses of numeric pad, we need to press the number lock keys first. If you want to use the numeric key, first you want to press the number lock key. Yes? Okay. Then this and all I already taught you. Yes? Yes. Then next we have cursor control key. Cursor control key. Yes. Next we have cruiser control keys. What is cruiser control keys? A cruiser control is a small blinking line on the monitor. That is a small blinking line on the monitor. That is cruiser control key. Yes, yes. It shows the positions of the next letter, symbols or numbers number to be entered. Then the cruiser control keys, the cruiser control key are also called the arrow keys. What we tell? Arrow keys. The keys used to move the cruiser up, down, left, right keys. This is the arrow key. See, this one is the arrow key or cruiser control keys. Yes. Yes, up, down, left, right. Yes, we have for for arrow keys. Then what we learn? Caps lock key. Caps lock. Next we have caps lock key. What is caps lock key? Press the caps lock along you to type the capital letter. Press the caps lock key once again. Allow you to type the lowercase letter. Yes, you want to type capital letter means you want to press the caps lock key. Yeah, then only it will be, we can type capital letter. Okay. Yes. Till that we learned in previous class. Yes, take out your computer textbook, page number 19. Next we have shift key. What is shift key? We will see. Shift key. What is shift key? Shift key is used to with the other keys for different purposes. A shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. Pressing and holding the shift key along with a letter key will type that letter in capitals even when the caps lock key is turned off. Yes, why we are using shift key? Yes, shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. Other keys for different purposes only we are using. Yes, pressing and holding the shift key along with a letter key will type that letter in capital even when the caps lock is turned off. Yes, shift plus A. Shift key plus A will get when caps lock is off. We'll use shift key plus A when the caps lock key is off. Okay. For example, shift plus A given A when caps lock key is on. Yes, we will press shift plus A. Yes, it will be, if the caps lock key, it will be on. Understand it? Yes. Then next we have simple key. Simple keys. Okay. Yes. That simple key have special sign and symbol on them. Special symbol it will be. Okay. These are present to the right of the letter key, such as comma, then open bracket. See, I already drawn no once. Do you remember? Comma, then bracket, open bracket, close bracket. Yes, then full stop. These and all it will be in symbol keys. Yes. Okay. Then the special character are also placed over the number on the numbers key, such as, see here have percentage, at. See children, in your textbook page number 19 here has some symbols. See here, this and all symbols. Yes, extra, etc. Can you see? See these only symbols key. See up. Can you see children? Yes. Then we can use these symbol keys by pressing the shift key along with the number key. Shift key plus numbers key. Example, shift key plus 5 number key means Press means it will show percentage like that. Understand it? Only number key only you will press means only number only it will be visible. Want to press shift key plus number key, then only symbols it will be visible. Understanding children? Yes. Then next we have special key. Special keys. Special keys are required to perform some special functions. Some of the special key work in combination with the other keys. Okay, that is special key. Then next we have space bar key. Space bar key. Space bar key. Space bar key. What is space bar key? It is the long horizontal keys on the keyboard. Horizontal is like this. Long horizontal key. That is space bar key. Why we are using space bar key? When the space bar key is pressed, it types one space to the right. Is want to type sentence, you want to write something. My name is Gunasri, like that you want to write. You want to do space, yes, my space, yes, name space, like that. Then press space bar key, like that you want to do. Okay. Yes. Then next we have backspace key. Backspace key. Yes. Next we have backspace key. Backspace key, see 9.2.9. This is backspace key. See in your textbook, children. Used to delete the character or letters to the left of the cursor. You want to delete means want to press space backspace key. Okay. Yes. Then next is delete key. We have delete key also. Delete key. Yes, what is delete key? Delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. In cursor we want to delete something, want to erase something means we use delete key. Okay, and then escape key. Escape key. What is escape key? The escape key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. For example, if you have clicked the notepad button by mistake, yes, by mistake you press the notepad button, just press the escape key and the notepad window will disappear. Okay, then that time you want to press the escape key, then it will be disappear. It is present in upper left corner of the keyboard. Upper left corner of the keyboard. This is escape key. Okay. Then next we have tab key. What is tab key? Tab key. What is tab key? This key is present on the left side of the keyboard. Left side of the keyboard. It moves the cursor to right by multiple spaces. This is it and this is tab key. Okay, this is a tab key. Yes. Then sentence type using tab key. We type a sentence means we use tab key also. Okay. Then let us do for Rahul does not see children page number 21. Rahul does not know which keys are seen on a keyboard. Help him by marking the keys which can be seen on the keyboards in red and the other is blue. Yes, in keyboard which keys are there you want to do in red. Okay. Yes, tell me, you will mark it in red. This is keyboard key. Yes, red you want to mark it. Then this also keyboard keys. Enter key. Then see this also. This also. This also. This also. Yes, is escape key. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keys are appear in the keyboard. Yes. Then remaining ones other keys. Yes. Then in keyboard which keys are in, you want to mark in red color. Okay. Others you want to mark in blue color. Okay. Yes. Then turn next page. Yes. We completed this lesson. Okay. Think already we completed this also. Yes. Then glossary we already completed. Yes. Then next we have multiple choice question. Tab key is used to move the cursor by dash space. Tab key. Multiple. Yes, in multiple purposes we will use the tab key. Then mouse is a dash device. Mouse is a pointing device. Tick it C. This is D. Which of the following keys is used with other keys for different purposes? Shift key. Yes. Tick it shift. Then true or false? There are 12 numbers keys on the keyboard. 12 numbers keys we have in keyboard. No, 10 no. And this is false. Write down false. F-A-L-S-E false. Then pressing the mouse button is called a click. Yes, true. Write down true. Mouse has a multiple button. Yes, my mouse have multiple button. Yes, true. Then filling the blanks. When the dash mouse button is clicked twice, it opens a documents or programs. When the double click mouse button is clicked twice, write down double click. D-O-U-B-L-E, double click, C-L-I-C-K. Then next, a standard keyboard has dash keys. How much keys we have in keyboard? 104. Yes, write down. The backspace key arrays anything typed on the left side on the cursor. The backspace key, write down backspace. B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E. Yes. Then I think today this much enough. Okay. One page you should complete. Then read the lesson also. That is very important, children. You should read daily in your textbook. Okay. Then your homework is complete. Page number 23. Lesson only I gave today. Homework each and every children should complete it and send it in the group for correction before 8 p.m. Okay. Then today enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.